A BitTorrent is not a file, it is a protocol or method for distributing files. It does not contain any file data. Instead, it tells your BitTorrent client where it can find others who are using the same BitTorrent. Typically, to distribute a file, you would need a central server to do the distributing. The problem with this is if you have a very popular item that people can download via your server, it costs you a lot financially in bandwidth and can potentially crash your server. Imagine one person being asked to photocopy a 100-page book individually for 100 people. They'd be pretty stressed out. And that stressed out person doing the photocopying is the server. So how is this BitTorrent protocol different? This protocol is unique because it works via cooperative distribution. When you use a BitTorrent protocol to download a file, you start to download portions of the file. You leech parts of the file from other people. You take a little from person A, B, C, and D to make part of the file. But while you are leeching, you are also uploading or seeding the completed parts you have to others who are also leeching the file. Essentially, every individual using a BitTorrent protocol uploads and shares portions of what they have downloaded with everyone else. Using our previous analogy, these 100 people are each given one page and asked to photocopy it for everyone else in the 100. Nobody is left with the entire burden of photocopying, and everything gets done much faster because you have 100 people rather than one person working on it. Who can exercise control, though, over what people share over the network using a BitTorrent protocol? There are three distinct groups who have a degree of control. Indirect intermediaries, such as ISP and Internet infrastructure providers, indirectly have control through controlling the infrastructure. Theoretically, the contracts they have with their clients give them the power to stop torrents by disconnecting the seeders from the Internet. This, however, was found in Roadshow and IINet to be a very indirect level of control. There are two main direct intermediaries, index providers and torrent clients. The index providers, such as Pirate Bay, ISOHunt, and Archive.org, do not host any infringing content on their actual servers. Instead, they typically merely host BitTorrent trackers, which only coordinates the seeders and leechers of each BitTorrent protocol. This tracker can also be set up by any of the seeders in a particular BitTorrent protocol. The torrent clients such as uTorrent and BitLord also do not host any infringing content. They are merely programs that manage the BitTorrent protocol. Legal cases about pre-BitTorrent technology have suggested that those pre-BitTorrent technologies could exercise control through technological controls, such as editorial responsibility, filtering, and spamming copyright infringement notices. These sort of controls, however, are subject to jurisdiction and don't really control what is shared, because indexes and clients don't actually have any files, except for an elusive tracker. The BitTorrent protocol was designed to be a decentralized network with no single point of control. Hence, by design, the only thing which can ultimately control a BitTorrent protocol network are the individual BitTorrent creators and users who share the files on the network themselves.
Created using Powtoon.